Stand by. Ready? Log. Reading.
It was a few years ago that I first sailed across the Atlantic on Cyrano, a passage I'm not likely to forget. Shortly after our return, I received a letter from an amateur sailor greatly vexed by the challenge of celestial navigation. I took this as somewhat of a challenge, and it became my ambition to devise a method of navigating celestially that can be used by anyone who could read simple English. Before we get into details, here is a preview of the overall procedure. First, we'll take a sight of the sun, noting the reading we get from the sextant and the exact time of day. Then we'll look up the location or geographical position, as they call it, of the sun in the Air Almanac. We will then assume a location for our vessel, our so-called assumed position. Next, we'll refer to the tables to find out how far from our assumed position we were at the time we took the sight and in what direction. Finally, using this information, we will plot the exact position of our vessel. Let me suggest that you play this exposition through once just to get the feel for it, then play it through again, following along with the enclosed worksheet, which records the step-by-step procedures. Go back through the exposition as many times as you need to. Soon you will be able to go to sea and set out from anywhere in the world you want to and arrive at your destination.